Did you know that every year the average American pays more in taxes than some multi-billion-dollar corporations? That is right. While you fork over 30% of your paycheck, massive companies are paying zero. Here is how they pull it off. First, corporations set up shell companies in places like Bermuda or Ireland where tax rates are super low. Then, they use accounting tricks to make it look like their profits are earned in these tax havens instead of where they actually do business. For example, a tech company might transfer ownership of its intellectual property to a subsidiary in a zero-tax country, then charge its US operations huge fees to use that same intellectual property. Just like that, profits disappear from high-tax countries and reappear in places where they'll barely be taxed at all. The consequences: America loses over $70 billion in tax revenue every single year. That is money that should be funding our schools, fixing our roads and supporting healthcare. Instead, regular taxpayers like you and me have to make up the difference or watch as public services get cut. This isn't just about greedy corporations, it is about a broken system that politicians have refused to fix. Want to help change this? Start by following accounts that track corporate tax avoidance. Share this video to spread awareness. And most importantly, support candidates and policies that promise to close these loopholes and make corporations pay their fair share. Follow for part 2 where I'll break down exactly which companies are the worst offenders and how much they're costing you personally.